Aphrodite van Rietveld. World Cup winner Turbo Z united with Performance Family. Sire Turbo Z won the World Cup of Oslo with Kevin Jochems and the 1m55 Grand Prix of Eindhoven with Michael Greve. He produced a small number of offspring and is here combined with a mare sired by the Grand Prix stallion Tornesch. Grand Dam Escada HH has competed on international 1m35 level and has produced internationally performing offspring in the first and second generation already. This dam line leads in the fourth generation back to a half-sister of the 150-160 level performers Pignon Katja and Prinses d'Amour Erperhof. Also the 160 level horse Nikkei HH is out of this direct line.